Advantages of anaerobic treatment of distilled wastewater. So what are the various advantages? So if we consider the environmental aspect, which reduce the fossil fuel demand, which reduce the methane emission, which prevent the water pollution, which prevent the soil pollution also. In other aspect, it consists that is hygienic aspect and nutritional aspect. Next, economical aspect, which saving the fuel and also we generate the revenue in the form of energy sales. Okay, so the alternative treatment and disposal option for spent wash. So potash recovery is one of the major point which with the distillery industries. So recovering of potash, it is one of the that is revenue generation, or either you can say the fuel saving. So as consider if you consider the economic aspect, so potash recovery is one of the major thing with the spent wash and the distillery industries. Okay, so the water content of the spent wash is significantly decreased by evaporation so that the dry substrate is suitable for incineration, which containing about 37% of potash as potassium oxide, and on an average from which potassium is recovered in the form of potassium salt. And this potassium is used as a fertilizer with the addition of chemical. Okay, so in potash recovery, we can recover the potash and that we can use as a fertilizer. So due to the adverse environmental effect, disposal of untreated spent wash are avoided, but the high energy demand of the evaporation process that will in most cases be met by using fossil sources of energy should be taken into consideration. Okay, so without directly dispose that spent wash potash, we can recycle that potash as a salt or as a fertilizer, or also by using fossil source as energy source. Next, alternative treatment and disposal options for spent wash. So composting is one of the method which can be used for the treatment and disposal option for spent wash. So in this process, the press mud generated from the sugar mill is utilized to produce compost by mixing distillery effluent. So distillery effluent and the waste from the sugar mill, that is press mud waste. So this combinedly here the mixing, that is the press mud generated from sugar mill and compost by mixing distillery effluent. So both anaerobic and aerobic composting systems are practiced. So in some plant, composting with treated effluent through the biomethanation plant is also practiced, and this system can achieve zero effluent if the press mud quantity matches with the effluent generated. Secondly, we can use spray irrigation, that is spent wash is applied directly to the agricultural land for fertilizing purpose. So as spent wash contains the fertilizer, that is nothing but the potash. Okay, so the potash is act as a fertilizer, so the spent wash is applied directly to the agricultural land for the fertilizing purpose. So due to high organic loading, this can be however lead to undesired accumulation of nutrients into the soil and to the infiltration of soluble components to the groundwater. Okay, so that one precaution should also take because it contains huge amount of potash, and that may be accumulation of nutrients into the soil and that causes soil damage, and also the infiltration of that salts into the groundwater that also change the quality of groundwater. Okay, so spray irrigation, it is one of the alternative treatment or disposal option for the spent wash. Okay, next, growing of algae and fungus. So okay, so biogas generated from the distilled effluent can be effectively utilized in production of plant boilers, thus saving 50 to 60% of fuel. Okay, so the utilization of distilled effluent in agriculture field will not only enrich this further with essential plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, but also compensate the expenditure on fertilizer for the crop growth. Okay, as we already discussed, we can use that spent wash effluent as directly for the spray irrigation, and which are essential nutrients, that is like a nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, which help for the growth of the plant and which act as a fertilizer and which reduce the expenditure on fertilizer. So these are various some byproduct recovery which obtained from these industries. So the yeast sludge contains a degradation product as dead yeast and organic debris from malts. Next, yeast powder of pharmaceutical grade can also be prepared from the sludge and spent wash mix. Next, for any byproduct, the liquid waste is for screen, evaporated and dry. And dry screen waste are also known as dry distilled grain. So these are normally used for animal feeds. So these are some of the byproduct which obtained from the waste or effluent from the distillery industries. So this is all about the production process of distillery industries. So characteristics of waste generated from distillery industries, then treatment methods for the distillery industries waste, and the recovery and disposal of distillery industry effluent.